Ever felt stuck staring at a black page? Need quick answers or just bursts of creative ideas? What if you want intelligent assistant available 24/7, ready to help you with writing, brainstorming, and learning, all without costing you a penny? Welcome to Easy AI Tutorials, where we are all about unlocking AI, no code required. In this video, I will show you how to get started with ChatGPT in just 5 minutes. Let's dive in. Hey everyone, I'm Yangan from Easy AI Tutorials, and we are going to explore ChatGPT. It's a conversational AI. Think of it as a super smart chatbot that can understand your questions and generate human-like responses. It's incredibly versatile, free to use, and you don't need any programming skills. Today, I will show you how easy it is to use in everyday tasks. The simplest way to use ChatGPT is to ask questions just like you would a person. Now, here's an example. I'm asking it to explain artificial intelligence in simple terms. There we have our answer. See how quickly it gives clear explanation. This is perfect for learning new concepts, or maybe you want quick definitions, or maybe preparing for a conversation. You can use ChatGPT. The key here is to be clear on your question. The more context you give, the better the answer. Don't complicate ChatGPT. Otherwise, it will complicate your answer too. Now, let's use ChatGPT as a brainstorming partner. You can ask for ideas for projects, videos, blog posts, or even marketing campaigns. Here, I'm asking for YouTube videos, ideas. And there we have our ideas. You can follow up to refine the ideas. This is great for content creation, email drafts, social media caption, or even overcoming writer's block. It is like having instant idea factory, no code required. And let's move on. And in case you have a long article or a document, ChatGPT can help you summarize it in seconds. I'm going to paste a paragraph here. It's a long one, and ask ChatGPT to summarize it. And there we have our summarized points. ChatGPT is perfect for students, researchers, or anyone who needs to get main point quickly. It saves time. If you want more tailored answers, you can try custom instruction. Here you can tell ChatGPT how you would like it to respond. For example, use simple language or give step-by-step explanation. This way, you don't have to repeat yourself every time. And there you have it, your first 5 minutes with ChatGPT. From answering questions to brainstorming to summarizing, it's a powerful tool anyone can use. And if this tutorial helped you unlock a high potential, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy AI tutorials, no code required. Comment below and tell me what is the first thing you are going to ask ChatGPT. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.